So here's a brand new Mahindra Thar in for minor paint correction and paint protection. I say minor correction because there weren't any deeper defects on the paint since it's a brand new car and straight from the dealership. But as you can see, it has definitely got a ton of swirl marks on the paint surface over every panel. So yes, even brand new vehicles have defects on the paint. And this particular door had some deeper defects and an unfinished paint job probably. Well, those are some serious defects there. Anyway, I'll correct that and everything else later. But the main thing to worry about were all the monograms on the vehicle. Literally all of them had mineral deposits over them and they definitely did not come off in the washing process. A brand new vehicle was delivered with mineral deposits on almost all of the OEM batches. Guess Mahindra should have a good quality inspection before they deliver the vehicle to a customer. Anyway, now that it's here, I'm going to take care of it. I used a dedicated metal polish to get rid of all the mineral deposits and then I'll proceed with the paint correction part. To get better access to the paint on the rear door, I had to remove the spare wheel, and in that way I'll be able to work on the areas behind the wheel. After removing the wheel, I immediately start the paint correction process. And here, since the paint had only minor defects like swirl marks, so it was just a single stage paint correction. Here is the door panel I was talking about. There are leftover defects from the body shop or probably some added defects by the ones from the dealership. Well, for comparison, I have corrected the paint surface on half of the panel and it's pretty clear what fresh defect-free paint looks like. The left side is corrected and the right side is still not yet corrected. After all the paint correction part, it's now time to protect and seal the paint surface with some paint protection. I'm using spray on ceramic coating from Turtle Wax here, which will protect the paint from all the chemicals, UVs, bird drops, as well as giving the super hydrophobic effect and added gloss to the surface. Do subscribe to the channel if you like the video. The paint protection has definitely added depth and richness to the paint color, plus all the monograms are mineral free now.